Good morning, children. I hope all of you are sound and safe at your home. You have enjoyed your holidays and also learned and recapitulated the previous work. Now today we are going to start with a very interesting chapter, that is chapter number 3, playing with numbers. To start with this chapter, we are going to do an activity. Kindly see to it. Suppose we are having 6 marbles and we are going to arrange these 6 marbles into different patterns. Now the first pattern can be, we are having 6 rows and there is 1 marble in each row, that is 1 into 6 becomes 6. In the second slot we are going to have 2 marbles in each row so that we can have 3 rows. So it becomes 2 into 3, that is 6. In the third part, we are going to have 3 marbles in 2 rows, which again gives us the answer 6. And in the last part, we are going to have 6 marbles in 1 row only, that is 6 into 1, 6. And now there is no other way to arrange these 6 marbles. So we can see from here, 1, 2, 3, 6 are the exact divisors of 6. Because we have 1 6 are 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6 and 6 1s are 6. Therefore, what do we call these numbers as? 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors of the number 6. To understand it more deeply, let us have one more example. Suppose we need to find the factors of 4. We are going to have a new method, that is the division method. Let us check by 1. You all of know how to divide the number. In the table of 1, 4 comes as 1 4s are 4, so the remainder is 0. Let us check with 2. In the table of 2, 2 2s are 4. Again the remainder is 0. Now if we check by 3, in the table of 3, 4 does not come, but a smaller number is there. 3 1s are 3 and the remainder is 1. And if we check for 4, then 4 1s are 4. If we look in the first, second and the last case, in all these 3 cases the remainder is coming 0, but not in the case of 3. So here and where the remainder is 0, that is 1, 2 and 4, they are said to be the exact divisors of 4. 1, 2, 4 are exact divisors of 4. Therefore, 1, 2 and 4 are the factors of 4. Now let us start with one example. Suppose we are going to find the factors of 28. Let us start. 1 into 28 is 28. If we check for 2, it is an even number, so it will go in the table of 2. 2 into 14 is 28. It does not come in the table of 3. Let us check by 4. 4 7s are 28. It does not come in the table of 5, 6. Now let us check for 7. Again 7 4s are is 28. Now children, when you see the numbers are going to repeat, like 7 4s are is 28, we are going to stop here. So what are the factors of 28? 1, 2, 4, 7. Then start from here, 14 and 28. So I'm going to write 1, 2, 4, 7 and 28 are the factors of 28. Clear? Moving on to the next example, we have to find the factors of 35. 1 into 35 is 35. It does not go in the table of 2, 3 or 4. Now let us check with 5. 5 7s are 35. Now after it, let us check for 6. It does not come in the table of 6. Then for 7, 7 5s are 35. Now as the numbers have started repeating again, so herein we have the factors of 35 as 1, 5, 7 and 35 are the factors of 35. Now let us start with the multiples. They are very easy to understand because we are learning the multiples from the junior classes onwards. Multiples are actually the numbers which we get after multiplying a particular number with any other number. Suppose we are going to find the multiples of 5. If we start multiplying 5 with 1 onwards, like 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 5, 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20 and so on. The numbers obtained by multiplying 5 with different numbers are called the multiples of 5. Or you can simply say the table of any number, the answers in the table of any number are the multiples of that particular number. Therefore, the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. You can find as many as multiples you want according to the question. These are the first 4 multiples of 5 that I have written. Moving to the next example, let us find first 5 multiples of 7. That means we are going to start the multiplication of 7 with 1. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28 and 7 fives are 35. So the first 5 multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28 and 35 are first 5 multiples of 7. Now the third example, let us have the multiples of 10. Now if it is said you have to find the first 5 multiples of 10, you are going to start multiplying with 1. That is 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40 and 10 fives are 50. So 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 are the first 5 multiples of 10. First 5 multiples of 10. Now in this way you can find as many as multiples as given in the question. I hope the concept of factors and multiples are now clear to you.